Out of 50, next our question number is 14. Types of energy sources. So we have two types of energy sources. One is a independent source, another one is a dependent source. So already we discussed and I have said what is the meaning of independent source and a dependent source. So independent source in the sense those kind of sources will not depend upon any other sources. Dependent sources in the sense these dependent sources are completely depends upon the independent sources. So we have different types of independent sources and a different dependent sources here. So I have given and independent sources are 4 types and dependent sources are again 4 types here. So these are abbreviated below here. So IVS means ideal voltage source and PVS means a practical voltage source and ICS means ideal current source. Here PCS means practical current source. By mistake I have written here voltage source, you remember that. And you have to remember here ideal voltage source and ideal current source. So we will discuss later what is the ideal voltage source and ideal current source. Just you have to remember ideal source means it's a theoretical ideology. Compared to ideal voltage source and practical voltage source, there is a losses including in a practical voltage source. That is only the difference between ideal voltage sources, ideal current sources and practical voltage sources and practical current sources. And same here we have a VCCS means voltage control current source and voltage control voltage source and current control current source and current control voltage source. It's mean these dependent sources already I said it completely depends upon the independent sources. Because of that we are taking either that one is a voltage source or a current source. By using that voltage source and current source we can control again a voltage and or otherwise current, whatever it is. Suppose for example you have to take it here voltage control current source. Here we are taking current source. That current source, by using that current source we can control the voltage. Okay, the same thing the current we are taking here also current source. Here also we are taking current source. But by using this current source we can control the current here. The same like that we are taking voltage source in these two cases. And by using this voltage source we can control either voltage or a current. Okay, these are the different kinds of energy sources. Subscribe my channel for more updated videos.